I was painting. I was painting in my room.
What you are painting? Show me.
This room. I was painting this room.
I see. I see. I see.
Here is pen. Yes. And
Yeah.
when I turn on my net mobile data, okay. So
Yeah. Yeah.
I saw your missed call.
I see.
I stopped my work.
So, Mr.
Right now, it's a sad.
I see. So it's a shed for a goat or for a buffalo?
For a goat.
How many goat do you have?
9.
9 goat do you have? This is your
Yes.
business or like what?
Yes. It's a business, and we do
It's your
farming.
business. So what, you are a farmer or you are a goat farmer? What exactly?
Both.
You are
You can
both,
say.
huh? Both.
Yes.
Mr. Radhe, Mr. Radhe. What you do, brother? What you do? Apart from this, what you do?
I graze goods, and these days I'm learning English, and
Mhm.
I have opened my YouTube channel.
Well, I saw your video that
Yeah. And
I saw.
whatever I do, I post, and I'm learning English.
Mhm.
That's it.
I see, I see. But why you need English?
Why? Because
Uh,
like I like travel,
mhm.
so I'm thinking that if I could travel all over India, so
I
English
see,
will, yeah, very
I
good
see.
for me.
Mhm. Tell me about that. In how many country or how many state that you have traveled?
I haven't gone outside of India.
I see. So this is in your bucket list. You will go
Yes,
in future. I see. So where would you like to go in a first? With from where you wanted to start?
Kedarnath.
Kedarnath, mashallah, mashallah. That's very good. That's
Yeah.
very. And you wanted to shoot the video. You wanted to shoot the video while exploring the Kedarnath, exploring the India. You wanted to shoot those things.
Yes.
That's great. That's a fantastic. So you don't study. You don't study, brother.
No, I was pursuing my college, but because of lockdown, Corona, I left my college.
I see. What you were pursuing.
I was pursuing BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application.
Did you complete it or not? Did you
No,
complete?
I couldn't.
Then do you have any plan to complete those things or not? It's you don't want it to complete now.
I'm thinking to apply it in like private graduation, like BA,
Mm-hmm.
BSc, like that. Yes.
Bachelor in arts.
Yes.
And then what's your plan then after completing bachelor in arts? What will you do? What's your plan exactly? In a future plan.
Only graduation, future plan. I'm thinking,
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking that what should I do in my life?
Mm-hmm.
I'm searching my way
I see. I see.
because I'm 22 years old right now, so that's why I have given my time that you have only 3 years, then select your career and then
Mhm.
do whatever you wanna do.
So someone told you like that? Your father, your mother told you like that? You have 2 years only?
No.
So you have only decided yourself, this is your foundation. You have time limit.
Yes,
Yes, I see. I see. So
because okay, continue.
you continue. You are my guest. You are my ghost. I should I should stop. I should listen to you. Come on, tell me.
Because because my financial condition is decreasing day by day, so I have to earn money so fast, very early.
Hmm. I see. What's your father, brother? What's your father?
My father is a farmer.
I see. And who your
Yes,
mother?
housemaker.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
We are 4 siblings,
Huh?
brother, 2 sisters, and I'm the youngest in my family.
You are the youngest one.
Yes.
What's your brother do? Your elder brother?
Yeah, before 2 years ago, she joined a marketing company.
She or he?
He sorry.
Ah. Mm-hmm.
So he's gonna marry this
Mm-hmm.
year.
Ah, I see. That's nice. So
Yeah.
he will stay along with you, or he will stay separate.
No, he stay with us.
I see. That's fine then. That's fine. So my question to you, Mr. Radhe, look, whatever you are doing, this is also a very good business. Okay. So do
Mhm.
you prefer these things or do you prefer job? What do you prefer?
What I will say. This time I'm thinking that I have to get a job.
I see. So you are preferring
Yeah.
you prefer job
Yes.
rather than whatever you are doing.
Y-
Don't you think this is the future? You could earn fantastic amount of the money with this whatever you are doing. This is the very good business, you know. Whatever you are doing, this is a
mhm.
fantastic business.
But like there is very few amount we get when we sell goods. We don't get much more money.
Okay, how much you got? Like if I wanted to purchase one goat from you, the goats like 10 kg goat.
Okay,
What is the amount I have to pay for you?
10 kg means 1700.
10 kg 1700. 700 or 17
Yes.
7,000.
These goods only like 2500.
So show me 2500.
Yes.
It's a very cheap, brother. It's a very cheap.
Yeah, that's why.
I see, I see. Yeah, you are absolutely right.
Mm.
Can you show me how many gods? Can I see your gods if you please? I want to
Yes,
show, I want to see.
there is one another one. Okay,
I
so
yeah,
she is Gondi,
Gondi.
she's Kalka,
Mm-hmm.
she's Nibba, she's Tuttu,
Mm-hmm.
and there are some childrens of goats.
Oh, I see, I see. That's
One another.
nice. That's
She's my mother.
mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. That's nice. That's very good.
Yeah.
That's yeah. You are this is a fantastic things. But the thing is that you are not able to earn the handsome amount of the money. That's why I understand. But this business is very good. This
Yeah.
business is very good here. This is very good business.
Mhm.
Anyway, anyway, best of luck for you in the future. Then, Mr. Radhe, tell me, would you like to ask me something related to English, brother?
Uh, yes. Because like you can see, sometimes I make mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
So I know that if I will do practice more and more, if I will speak more and more, so it will gonna remove. But
Mm-hmm.
what do you think about my pronunciation?
Yeah, it's okay. Forget the pronunciation. Make it easy. It must be you're
Mhm.
speaking good. That's enough. Don't focus on pronunciation. Pronunciation doesn't matter right now. It will matter later on, but not now. It doesn't matter right now. Just try to learn English only. Just focus on
So
learning English right now.
Arif sir, I have been watching you since
Mm-hmm.
1 year or one
I
year.
I see.
So I saw your first video when you were talking with Indian tutor Lily.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see. I
So
see.
that
I
was first video.
uh,
Subscribed to your channel, and I got a lot of sentence from yourself, like
I
lots of
I see.
sentences, phrases,
Mm,
and the confidence.
I see. That's great. That's great. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Well, how long have you been learning English?
Okay, so I have been learning English for 1 year, approximately 1 year.
And how you learn English?
Okay, so because I used to watch a lot of YouTube channel
You
like
used to watch. It's mean now you don't watch. Now
no
you
no
don't watch.
I watch.
Yes, you watch. And what else?
Yes, I watch and I follow them, and these days, like I watch the abroad teacher, like
Mm,
English with Vanessa.
mm-hmm.
Uh, there is lots of British tutor.
I see. I see. I
Mhm.
see. So you only listen, you only watch, or you practice as well, or you do practice as well, or not? You don't do
Okay.
practice.
Yes, yes, yes. Like I talk with my friends
I see.
because I am connected with maybe 8 to 9 English group,
I see. I see. That's nice.
and,
That's nice.
and
It's mean that practice is necessary to
yes,
learn English. Practice is necessary.
yeah.
Absolutely. That's great. That's very
So
nice.
whenever I get free time, so I message there that I'm free. If anybody talk to me, then call me, and
Mm-hmm.
people's call me. I do practice, and rather than I study aloud. Still,
Mm-hmm.
I
Yes.
study aloud.
I see. Study aloud, huh?
Yeah.
I see. I see. I see. Do you think it's effective? Study
Yes, yes.
aloud.
For
How?
me, it's a good because like in starting time, I was not able to reading books. Okay, but still, I used to reading books aloud. Okay, and that time, my families used to watch me like this. What are he doing?
Mm-hmm.
What is he
I see.
doing? Yes, but I get benefit from this routine, like the confidence and the pronunciation. It's a good.
Mm-hmm. I see. I see. I
And
see.
second thing is, if anybody want to learn English, so I would say that first listen
Mm-hmm.
English more and more. It will
Mm-hmm.
definitely, it will give you the no, what should I say? The nirdesh. Okay, so your subconscious mind, okay, it will
Mm-hmm.
give you automatically word. You will speak English automatically if you listen continuously and every day.
I see. I see. That's
Yeah.
very good. Maybe that's fantastic. That's really our viewer
Yeah.
would definitely learn something for you. Whatever you have said to them, they would definitely inspired by you.
Mm.
People will watch you tomorrow, and they will definitely inspired by you. The way you are, like whatever you are doing, and apart from that, you are learning English as well. That's very great. That's very
Mhm.
good. This is your passion, or what, brother? This is your passion, or is there any other reason behind that?
You know, some people have different hobbies.
Yeah.
Right? So I like languages. Okay,
Yeah.
so apart from English, I'm learning Russian.
I see. I see. That's great.
Okay, sometimes like I watch Bhojpuri movies because Bhojpuri is my favorite language.
I see. What's your language? Hindi?
Hindi, Hindi.
Do people speak at home Hindi, or is there any
Yes,
other language?
Hindi, Hindi.
Hindi. Hindi. I see. I see. That's great. So, Mr. Radhe, I think it's time to move on, brother.